There's a place in your heart, and I know that this is love. And this place could be brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, in fact, there's no need to cry. In this place, there's no hurt of sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Here's a world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if you care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie.